Welcome to Cheshire Cars in Crewe. We've been established for over 20 years, in fact 24 years, and we retail and buy very nice motor vehicles from our base here in Crewe. We offer a range of solutions and options, some of which I'll cover in a later video. But we'd be very welcome to see you or email us. Most people these days do most of the work by email, and we're finding an increasing number of people will use our free delivery service, because we do have a free delivery service anywhere in the UK. That means that for a small deposit of £250 you will be able to secure the car and have it delivered to your house or office. Upon delivery to your house or office, we then ask you to inspect the car, test drive it if you wish, and then pay the balance by a bank transfer. We do not expect you to pay upfront beforehand for any of our products or services, although gratefully so that people do that, and we find that some people will leave us with the money in the bank and we've got the car, the keys and the V5, but we don't ask for it. So based in Crewe, very easy to find, based just probably an hour between Liverpool and Manchester and an hour from Birmingham, so really central. We have Crewe mainline railway station very close by, and we're probably a 15-minute walk away or a 5-minute car journey away. So do come and see us at the office here in Crewe, or as I say, we can deal the whole transaction including finance and part exchange online. You can ask for a valuation of your car online. You can apply for finance online. And one important thing to remember about finance is we do not charge any fees. And there are also no fees when you buy one of our quality cars. Now, our cars come in a variety of price ranges and styles and colours, and one thing that every car will have the same as every other car, whatever price range, is the fact that we will detail the car to a very high standard. And that's why people trust us to source a car, because we also source cars for people. That means that if you can't find the car you wish to buy, and you're just exhausted through looking, give me a call or an email, explain what you're after, and I'll probably be able to find it. I can't promise you within a few days, but certainly within a few weeks. I should have given you a range of 3 or 4 different options, and another week or so's time you should be driving off in your new car. So that's a good service. It's called vehicle sourcing. So that's a little bit about Cheshire Cars. You can reach out to me on 01270 213 811.